So it's best that your accountant work in collaboration with your financial advisor and possibly your attorney to make sure the entity is done correctly. So between the three of them, and what I do for my clients is we do a Zoom call together. Before it was a conference call. So now with Zoom being common, get all of them on the phone or on the Zoom so you are all on the same page. More like a family office for the rich folks. Now we are rich in our own heart, so we have to set up our own systems, just like we have $1 billion. You have to look at these portfolios as $1 billion portfolio because that is the mission that we are on. We are not on a mission to retire poor. We are on a mission to retire rich and live a fulfilled life and create a legacy for our family and generations to come. So the money that you've invested to come here, trust me, you're going to get it 1 million-fold because the strategy that we are learning here, and there's a transcript for this as well. You're going to get a transcript with the recording. So you can read and really understand the magnitude of this information. So I'm going to come back to the SEP IRA. When you set it up, and if we are keeping track of all of our accounting, you can contribute to it constantly throughout the year. It's called dollar cost averaging. And so when the stock market goes down, you are buying it at that level. If it goes up, you're buying it at that level. However, I'm not a huge fan of the stock market. So what I'm going to show you next is, after you can max out this SEP IRA. This year, I believe it's like 62,000 based on your profit. So if you make a lot, like $1 million, you can put away 20% of it, but up to 62,000. Okay, so you'll be able to put 62,000 compared to people who are working for other people and putting away 401k in 20,000 plus. So it pays to be self-employed. But if you are a real estate investor, most of the people are doing this as a passive investor. The smartest way is to have one of the unit or two be a short-term rental. Now, a lot of these short-term rentals are coming under attack. So how do we get around it? Mid-term rental. What is that? Mid-term rentals are 3 to maybe it could be 1 month or 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. You can still generate a lot of income and still consider it as an active because you are going to turn over people every 30 days. So if you are in a position, in a place where they are saying is short-term rentals or Airbnbs are not allowed, well, you can go after professionals like travel nurses. You can go after corporate rentals, and those will easily give you tenants for the 30-day to 90 days. Most of the the midterms are 90 days. All these travel nurses, they go on a mission for 30 to 90 days. You can easily get those. And with those, you can still be considered active depending on how active that you manage it. You can pop in there, change a filter, do here and there. That's all considered being active.